discuss in previous session, that is print and input. So print, as the word suggests, input is this function it is used that will be displayed as it is. If suppose you want to display some result, so a is some variable and you want to display that result, then you can have comma as a sentence. Also String can be printed together. They are not 12 plus 12 is 24. Actually, result is 1 to 1. So they are appending the string. First, the result will be 24. Correct, result will be 24. So I think you have understood what is print, what is next command that we have discussed is input. So it is already discussed, but as a practical way I have explained. After that, Python standard data types. We have to discuss Python standard data types. So there are various data types. Numbers, first data type is number, then it is string, then it is list. First is number, then string, then list, then you have tuple, then you have dictionary, then you have set. So those are the data types you have. You have to remember it. Python standard data types are numbers, how A is equal to 3 plus 4i. Syntax error for A is equal to 3 plus. So it is 3 plus or the Python. It is supporting complex also. I will show you afterwards how it is supporting. Then integer, float, long, and complex. Using we can store a set of values into a variable. So what do you mean by string set of values? And if you want to store the string into a variable, as the variable name is equal to set of strings. So that is nothing but as I told, in case of input command, the input taken from the keyboard default type of that. So you have to change to other type of float or integer, but we have shell is restarting. Actually the people are calling in between, and because of that the network means internet is off, so that you are getting some lag in between. So whatever program we have discussed in last particular thing, so input and this, if suppose a is equal to, I want to accept input, correct, input. So how I will accept input? Input is a command, or you can say function. So function always have the bracket, simple bracket. Now here it is waiting for input, correct, without showing anything, you're waiting for input. If you enter the input, it will be okay, a is accepted as a 3. But for what you can say, for understanding purpose, for users understanding, if I write like this input, if I write like this input, enter age, okay, so that user can easily understand what to enter or which data to be entered. So here it is age, so it will enter age. So you can see age is 12. Now the default data type of the input is string. So you can check here what is the type of it, what is the type of it. So type of a, check it is string. So default input data type is string. So for performing the operation, you must convert that into integer or float, integer or float. If suppose directly if you perform some operation a plus a, correct, a plus a, so what will happen? It will just append the string 1212. It will append the string, but correct, this is not a correct answer. So what you have to do, you must convert in a into integer, a into integer, and then add a plus a. Definitely it will give you answer as a 24. So that is nothing but the basic data type in an input, correct. Now we have discussed some variable strings. Now we are coming to strings. String, uh, what is the need of string? So using string we can store the set of characters. For example, if I want to store hello, so a is equal to in double inverted comma hello, so you can store it with the help of single inverted comma or double inverted comma, single or double. Then default type of input taken from the input function is string, so that we have discussed. And string is immutable. So what is meant by immutable? You cannot change the string. Remember, if you once you write hello, you cannot change the single letter. You can completely change it, but you cannot change it as a, or you cannot change single letter. So I will show you how actually it happens. Okay, so here you can see, for example, I want to store b is equal to hello, correct, hello, b is equal to hello, okay, b, just type hello. Now in case of string, you can have, or you can access any letter in between. So actually the string having some indexing means, ज्याला आपण स्ट्रिंग्स स्टोअर करतो त्याला फर्स्ट लेटर 0 पासून सुरू होतं. दिस इज अ 2 डायमेन्शनल अरे. जसं सेव्ह करतात तसं सेव्ह होतं. म्हणजे एच कुठल्या इंडेक्सला आहे? एच इज ॲट अ इंडेक्स ऑफ 0, ई ॲज अ ॲट अ 1, एल ॲट अ 2, सेकंड एल ॲट 3, and o it is 4. So it is a indexing, it is a indexing. So h later, you can access h later by the, like this, b in square bracket 0. If you put, this is nothing but the first letter you can access, correct, b of 0, it is h, means any letter from the string can be accessed, any letter from the string can be accessed. Suppose b of 1, b of 1, so it is e, b of 2, what it is, l. So any letter of the string can be accessed. Now suppose I want to change the first letter. Instead of hello, I want to means instead of h, I want to change it to g. So if suppose I am making it as b of 0 is equal to g, in double inverted comma, if I put it, see, here you can see the error is string object does not support item assignment. Means string is immutable. Immutable means you cannot change the string in between. You cannot replace any letter from the string, any letter from the string. Okay, so that is the thing what I want to discuss in this, as a string is immutable. After that, next few things we have to discuss. We can access single letter from the string, as I have shown. Any letter from the string can be accessed. If suppose I want to access fifth letter, I will put B of 4 because the indexing start from 0. Indexing start from 0. So fifth letter means the indexing is 4. If I want to access sixth letter, I must put index as a 5. Now we can access group of letters from the string. Earlier in the program we have seen how to access single letter, but from the string we can access group of letters. I will show you how. So how you can do it. See here, suppose B. We have the B. Wait a minute. B. Here you can see B is equal to, suppose, hello. Hello. Okay. B is hello. Now I can access single letter as I have told. B of 3. It is L. B of 4 is O. See, O is the fifth letter, but it is accessed by B of 4 because the indexing start from 0. This is zeroth indexing as a H, first indexing L, this is second L, third L, and O is at a 4. Now this is a single letter accessing. I can access the range of letters. If suppose I want to access ELL, so how I can access? So in square bracket, it is 1 colon means 2 3. So it will replace our EL. One and this is the range of letters. If suppose I want to access L, so I will for L. So that is we are discussing we have